glorify, pedestal, honor, elevate.
We gon' elevate and motivate, inspire to be great. Yesterday is yesterday, today is a new day.
Stay tuned. I have a big surprise that I'm going to be doing all October. If you want to find out what it is, this is part of it. Stay tuned and see what Elevate with Verne has coming for you shortly. Woo! Welcome back to Elevate with Verne. Oh my goodness, guys, guess what? All October, I will be doing a how-to series. I will then put it in a playlist. What is a how-to video? So, a how-to video is I'm going to give you topics of how to do something, and it's going to be on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday is when the videos will drop. They will drop as a premiere, so I will pre-record them, and then I will drop the video. If there is something on a how-to that you would like to see, make sure you DM me on Instagram or on Facebook Messenger so I can look at it. If I choose your video or your description that you're asking me to do, I will then shout you out in that video. So let me give you some ideas of what I currently have, but I'm looking for more. So don't underestimate it. You may still be able to tell me what you think. So again, 13 episodes. The series will be called How To for all October. They will be 8 minutes or more. I'm reading off of my other phone because I put it in there. Again, there will be a playlist, and if you have one that you would like me to do, just DM me and let me know. Okay? So, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and here are some of the topics that I currently have. How to do an unboxing video, as you see. So, when I finish this video, I will be showing you how to do an unboxing video and some things you should have to be prepared to start that video. Some other things is how to stay motivated. How do you keep yourself motivated, even if other people are not? So stay tuned for all of these great topics that I'm going to be talking on. How to become a speaker. If you are interested in speaking, I will give you some tips on how to get people to ask you to become a speaker, or how you can search them out to become a speaker. How to do collaborations. This is super important. Just because everyone says they want to work with you does not mean that you have to agree to work with them. So being a collaborator is very important, that you figure out, is this person going to bring something to my channel? Can I bring something to their channel? Is it a win-win situation for both of us? You don't want to be the only one getting something out of the collaboration or them be the only one. You want to be able to combine. So make sure that you are compatible and on the same page, and stay tuned for that video, and I'm going to give you some more tips, okay? The next one is how to apply for a job. Yeah, Verne, yeah, there are some people that do not know how to apply for a job. When they come into a job interview, they're like not prepared. So stay tuned for that. How to do self-care for yourself. How do you self-care for you? What do you do? I'm going to give you some tips that can help you to self-care for yourself, which is super important. Self-care is not selfish. You heard me. The next one is how to give to a charity. How are you going to give to a charity? How do you know what charity to choose? Are you doing your research? Is the charity legit? So we're going to talk about that. How to process your feelings of losing a loved one, or if you're in mourning. If some of you guys know, I just recently lost my mother-in-law. She has transitioned. It was a hard process. It's still hard till this day. We recently did her memorial, and it was hard. It's hard to deal with, and I'm still dealing with it. So I may have a special guest. I have reached out to someone to ask them if they would do that video with me, and we'll see how that goes. Again, if you have any topics, make sure you're reaching out to me. Another one is how to be confident, how to have Godfidence, as I like to call it. How do you show up for yourself on camera, on social media, right? How to clean out your car. Yeah. Y'all know I work from my car a lot of times, and by the weekend come, my car look like a tornado. So I will teach you some tips on how to clean out your car, what you should have in your car when you're getting ready to clean it out, where you should go to clean it, and some other little tips like that. I'm also going to talk about how to show up for yourself. Yeah. How do you show up for yourself? What do you do? It's not self-care. It's how you're showing up for, maybe you want to start a CEO. Maybe you want to go for a promotion. How are you showing up for you? We'll get on that. how to start a social media channel. And this could be for all social media platforms. I will talk about, here are some tips that you can do that can help you. So stay tuned for that. The next one is how to be a good friend. Yeah, I said that. How do you be a good friend? A lot of people don't know how to be a good friend, right? So I'm going to give you some tips that you can do to become a good friend. The next one is how to batch record videos. This is super important if you are a creator. How to batch record, which is what I'm going to do when I finish this video. So in the same seating, I'm going to record more videos. So I'm going to cut this one off and I'll start and I'll do these. And I may do one each by itself, right? Then I may do another video of maybe one of the collaborations that I'm talking about. Maybe I'll do a video of something else. So you do all that in one seating. And what can you do? You can change your hair. You can change your shirt. You can keep it on. You can throw on a hat. It's a lot of different things. You can change angles, right? So if there are anything else that you want to know about, let me know. I might do one on how to edit through a certain editing app that I use. There's so many things that people need to know to how to. And of course, this will be evergreen video, evergreen content that you can always go back and look at. So with that said, guys, I thank you for being here at Elevate with Verne. I do offer merch. Go get your Vernisms where they will make you feel amazing. And they are definitely a conversation starter. So go check out all of the awesome little Vernisms that I have. I'll put them right here on the screen. Also, join me on Monday through Friday on Instagram, as I am a creator and an entrepreneur, where I talk about how to have a growth mindset. We have devotion and donuts at 7 a.m. Monday through Friday as I'm driving to work. And when I finish doing your devotion, baby, we go to Dunkin' Donuts. So if you like to support that, want to buy me a coffee, hit up my Cash App. It's Elevate with Verne. Buy me a cup of coffee. Buy me a donut. Also, guys, like I said, I'm an entrepreneur of positive, motivating, inspirational t-shirts. I'm also a social media consultant. If you would like to learn how to monetize your social media platforms, whether you are a creator or you are an entrepreneur, you can contact me via Facebook and go to Elevate with Verne. That is my business page. And you have several sections to choose from there. Just go to, I think it's called settings, or I can't remember it. I'll put the name up here. But just go there and you will see all of the different items that I offer. Also, I am a keynote speaker. So if you know someone that is looking for a speaker and want it to be high intensity and you want it to be super amazing, make sure they're hitting up your girl. Elevate with learn. Well, I can't even talk. Elevate with Verne, right? Elevate and learn. Elevate with Verne. So with that said, I am going to end this video, and stay tuned. In all October, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, I will be dropping a video on how to. And again, hit me up if you have any ideas that video that you would like me to make. Okay. With that said, guys, remember that today is a good day to have a great day. This is the day that the Lord has made. We shall rejoice and be glad in it. Be glad it is. Be glad you're alive, right? Also, make sure you're being a kind human being to someone else and you're paying it forward. And never, ever, ever stop dreaming. Always look to learn something. You don't always have to be the teacher. Sometimes I want to be the student. Teach me, baby. Okay? So, guys, thank you for being here. If you have not subscribed, a thumbs up. What are you waiting for? Come on over here. You're going to love it over here. So, with that said, I am going to end this video. And you know what I do when I close out my videos, guys. Go out there and spread love and spread light. Bye!
Lights, camera, action, hit the curtains. Yeah, I've been working and that's for certain. Somebody said the game hurting. A quieter taste, you know you need me. Lights, camera, action, hit the curtains. I ain't playing and I'ma show it. The day's going fast and the clock don't stop. Ain't got time to blow it, nah. Lights, camera, action, hit the curtains. Yeah, I've been working and that's for certain. Somebody said the game hurting. A quieter taste, you know you need me. Lights, camera, action, hit the curtains. I ain't playing and I'ma show it. The day's going fast and the clock don't stop. Ain't got time to blow it. Yeah. Top of the morning, eyes open, I hop up. Head low, giving up thanks with both palms up. Jotting down all of them goals that I got lined up. It's time